Good morning, students. Today we are going to study example 2.2 from your textbook. We already studied the different examples related to a parallax method. See, a man wished to estimate the distance of nearby tower from him. He stands at a point A in front of tower C. The point A is here in front of tower C and spots a very distant object O. The object O is suppose here in line with AC. In line with AC. He then walks perpendicular to AC up to B. He then walks perpendicular to AC up to B. It is like that. A distance of 100 meter. This is point B and the distance between it is 100 meter. And looks at O and C. Looks at O and C. Again, since O is very distant, the direction BO is BO is here, the direction BO is practically same as AO. But he finds the line of sight of C. Line of sight of C shifted from original line of sight by an angle of 40 degree, and this 40 degree, it is nothing but which angle? Parallax angle. Estimate the distance of tower C from its original position. We have to find out here distance of tower C from its original position. They have given an angle here. This angle is what here? 40 degree. So the theta is here 40 degree. Just see here, the O is a distant object we have taken here. Okay, the AC is like that. The distance AB it is given, it is 100 meter. So we have to find out this distance. It is nothing but AC. AC is what? So from this figure we can write tan theta. How can we write a tan theta? Tan theta is equals to, from figure you can see theta is here. So tan theta is equals to what? AB upon AC. AB upon AC. It is tan theta. Now we have to find out what? AC. So AC will go here. AC is equals to AB upon tan theta. Okay. AC is equals to AB upon tan theta. See from figure, the AB distance is what? 100 meter. So write down 100. Tan theta. Theta is what here? 40 degree, and it is nothing but which angle? Parallax angle. And we can find out AC. So tan 40 you can find out with the help of log table that we will see afterwards. Just try to understand what is value of tan 40 degree. That we can see natural tangent 40 degree, tan 40 degree. It is 0.8391. This is the value of tan 40 degree that we will see in log table. I will teach you how to see it. See, just put the value of tan 40 degree. Therefore, AC is equals to 100 upon 0.8391. If you will do this calculation, you will get the value of AC, and that is nothing but 119 meter. So we have found AC here. It is 119 meter. The AC is 119 meter. So the distance of tower C from its original position A is 119 meter. So like that we can solve other problems also. You have to know the range here, the range of lens. What is the range of lens? You know that with the help of parallax method we can find out the large distances, that is the distance between sun and earth, the distance between earth and sun. Now see what are the ranges of lens. 1 Fermi is equals to 10 raised to minus 15 meter. Range of lengths. Range here. We are seeing range. We can find out. You know that we already studied about the physics. The scope of physics. It is vast. And it covers a tremendous range. From minus to plus. From micro to macro. So same like that, we are seeing here some ranges. 1 Fermi, we can write it is 1 F, and it is nothing but 10 raised to minus 15 meter. Next, 1 angstrom, that we can write 1 angstrom. The symbol for it is like that. It is nothing but 10 raised to minus 10 meter. 1 astronomical unit, that we can write AU, and it is nothing but the average distance of sun from earth, and it is nothing but 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meter.